TeamViewer is remote access and remote control software, allowing maintenance of computers and other devices. It was first released in 2005, and its functionality has expanded step by step. TeamViewer is proprietary software but does not require registration and is free of charge for non-commercial use. It has been installed on more than 2 billion devices. TeamViewer is the core product of the Göppingen-based company of the same name. Rosmoneth GmbH released the first version of TeamViewer software in 2005, at that time still based on the VNC project. Its service provider wanted to avoid unnecessary trips to customers and perform tasks such as installing software remotely. The development was very successful and gave rise to TeamViewer GmbH, which today operates as TeamViewer Germany GmbH and is part of TeamViewer AG. TeamViewer is available for all desktop computers with common operating systems, including Microsoft Windows and Windows Server, as well as Apple's macOS. There are also packages for several Linux distributions and derivatives, for example, Debian, Ubuntu, Red Hat, and Fedora Linux. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.